Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to get the emails of the leads that you scraped off of LinkedIn. So in the last video, we scraped the real estate agent leads off of LinkedIn, and this is the list that we got. So we got their link, we got their name, we got their title, location, and we have a column here that was really only relevant to the last video, but it's not relevant now. So also, I just want to make a note. I only have the first 500 rows here, and I think we got a total like 800 plus in the end leads that we got, but right now I only put it down to 500 and you'll see why in a bit. But now what we want to do to basically get the emails is we have to just create a new tab here or a new sheet, and we want to copy all of our links. So just copy this full row here, paste it in here, and even remove the first row over here. And the reason why we want to do that is because to get the emails, we just need a sheet with only the links and nothing else. So then also what you want to do is if you scrape the leads using my method in the last video, we want to get everything that's before this like exclamation mark here. So, and the reason that why that is because anything after the exclamation mark, it's basically just saying that we use the filter to get this lead. So we only want the lead though. For example, watch, this is the URL to go to this person. And look how long it is right here. But then when we actually go to their page, you're going to see it gets much shorter, right? So we just got to basically only have this. Only have the short form of their LinkedIn URL. And to do that, just do this. Just press the top row here, highlight everything, go to data, go to split text to columns, just do separator custom, do it by question mark here. It'll then split to columns, and then you can just delete this column, and then we're good. That's all you have to do. So just follow that, okay? And then what you want to do is just download this sheet. Okay. Now, the next thing we want to do is go into the software that's going to find these emails through these links. And to do that, you're going to go to a software called Snove.io. Okay. This is what it's going to look like. And you have to sign in or log in. Okay. Now, if you've never seen this before, unfortunately, to use this feature, you need to get the S plan, which is about $40 per month. So I'm just going to log into here real quick because I already have it. So if we go to plans right here, the S plan is monthly. If we do, it's $40 per month, but we are going to need it because unfortunately you can't use a specific feature that we're going to need without the S plan. So just buy it for 40. I guarantee you, if you try to sell these lists and you do it the right way, you're going to make much more than 40 bucks anyway. So think of it just as an investment. But once you have it, once you pay for it, then you're going to go here to the side, go to the search, and go all the way down to social URL search. Choose your file. Choose the file that we just downloaded. Choose this one. And then you're just going to press start search. Now, what that's going to do is it's going through all the URLs and all the LinkedIn social profiles and try to find the emails. And now we'll just let it go for a quick second. As you can see, it already found 371 prospects. And then we're just going to simply do add to list. Again, we're going to export 371 products. We have a total of 1,000 credits right now. That's kind of why I also reduced the list because I don't want to use all my credits. So right now we found 371 emails basically, or prospects. So those are the credits that we're going to go and the emails that we're going to get. So now we're going to open list and you're going to see it right here. So it's still searching emails for some of them. Sometimes this does take a couple minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video right now and I'll restart it when all the emails have been found. Okay. Okay. Now all the emails have officially been found. So basically what we have here is we have their emails on the side here and we have a color right beside them, either green, yellow, red, or black. So this is what all those colors mean. Green here means that the email is verified. So that means it's a good email. Someone owns it and we're able to contact them. Yellow means it's unsure if it's real or not. They think it's real, but it might not be. So if it's yellow, most likely it is real. Typically it goes to someone, But I think even here it says we can't be certain if the email is valid or not. Red means then it's an invalid email, which means if you send an email to that address, nothing will happen. It won't go to anyone. And then simply the black one means it just can't find emails. So out of 500 people, we were able to find, try to do the math, 130 plus 85, 215 emails, which isn't bad. It's nearly half. So whenever you use a software, you can expect to get from a list between 50 to 60% of the emails. Okay. And then what we want to do is we simply want to export it as a CSV. So we'll just do export list. And the only things you really need are like the first name, last name, user social, job position, country, location. Honestly, the really thing you only need is like this. The only thing we really need, which is the user social. We really don't need anything else here. We do need the email though. We do need the email, yeah. And the email validity. But besides that, we really don't need anything else. So we'll just export that as a CSV. Yep. And then what you also want to do here, because now we have to actually combine these two CSVs, because unfortunately this CSV is only going to have the emails and really nothing else. So we actually need to combine it back to this CSV right here. So what you want to do is simply, what you want to do is go back to this. And since we have to combine back using these URLs, we have to split this row here, or this column. So again, go data, split text to columns, custom, use that one, split it, delete this column, and then we're good. And then just download this sheet. Okay. And now I already have the code created in Python to combine these two CSVs together. So basically what you're going to do, it's very simple. You're just going to port pandas. That's all you need. Import pandas as PD. And then df1 is going to be the Google Sheet. So if we go back here, go to my downloads, the Google Sheet was this one. So I download that. Actually, not download, copy the path. Sorry. Copy the path here, put it here. That's df1. And then df2 is going to be the sheet that we download through Synovio. So I'm going to just download that one real quick. Actually, the name of this one is Real Estate Agent Sheet Bot 2. Okay, just making sure. And then we're going to copy here. We can just use Sheet 5.1. This is going to be the same one. So this was the Synovio one. This is the data that we got through Synovio. Okay. And then all that you want to do is we have to rename df2 to user social. Actually, run these two lines here. And there we go. We have both data frames. So this is the Synovio one. And then this is the other one. Right. And then df2, this is the one through Synovio. Okay. And then all that we want to do is, again, just write this line, df2 LinkedIn equals df2 user social. And then we're going to merge both of them on LinkedIn, on the column LinkedIn, using a left join. Okay, so just do df3 equals df1 dot merge, df2 on equals LinkedIn, how equals left. Okay, run that. LinkedIn. Hold up. I think I spelled LinkedIn wrong here. So we're basically merging on this one. Oh, it's just link. It's just link, not LinkedIn. So we're merging on this column. So whatever the name of this column is here, you just change this one. And then you change this as well. And we'll even change this. So now if we run all this again, we get, and there we go. So we got df3 equals 498. It merged it on it. Perfect. Okay. And then again, we'll just put it as a CSV. We'll write it as a CSV. So we'll do real estate agents underscore emails dot CSV. Okay. Love that. There we go. And then let me upload this file so then we can actually check out this CSV here. So I definitely need to be more organized here, as you can see, but let me just upload this real quick. We'll check it out. Open it up. Google Sheet. And here we go. We should now have everything we need. Now we just want to delete the columns that we don't need anymore. And if you see here, we now have the link, title, their title, the location. We have the real, again, this column doesn't matter. We have their email. We have their email staff. If it's valid, if it's not valid, and we have their first name, last name, full name. We don't even need this because this user social column is the same as this link column. But now that you see here, for example, if we filter this by data, actually this filter this, let's just have them by not be blanks. There we go. As you can see here, we have all the emails now for these people over here, right? Rory Gurley is his full name, and his email is roargurley@unxthome.com. And that is how you get the emails for the leads you scrape off LinkedIn. Okay? Right, we have a bunch of them here. Awesome. Bunch of their emails. Yeah, guys, but that's how you do it. So again, if we go through the steps, simply what you do is you have your list. You want to create a new tab here with only your LinkedIn profiles, your links. Again, make sure you only have their main links here. And to do that, again, if you have more than that, you go to data, you go to split text to column, split on the question mark. Go to Synovio, go to this right here, go to social URL search, choose your file, right? Once your file is done, you just go open to list, add to list, right? Export the CSV, and then just use this simple program here, or these simple lines of code to then merge those two CSVs together based on the column that has the links. And then you have your CSV here, you have your final CSV here, which has everything that you had before. Oh, this CSV, sorry, not this one. Everything you had before, but now you have columns such as the email, and you have the email status, if it's not valid, if it's valid, and so on. Okay. And that is how we find the emails. Okay, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's get to the next one.